In this video, I will show you how to use the transfer call feature in WhatsApp. So for that, if your call is continuing in device 1, to join it from device 2 or to transfer it, you will have to simply open up WhatsApp in device 2 or the second device. From here, you might simply find active start call or join call link, or you can simply go to the contact or the group chat wherever the call was going on. Once you go here, you will find this call link, or at the top of the screen here you will find transfer or join call button. Simply click on it. Once you do it, the call will automatically be hanged up in your previous device and the call will be joined from here without it being hanged up. And that's it. If you think this video was helpful, please like, share, subscribe to our channel, and thank you for watching.